When's the last time you went shopping? If you're like me, chances are most of your shopping is done online. Let's say you need to buy a new camera. Do you simply buy the first camera you see? Is price important? What about customer reviews? As you can probably tell, product research is part of everyday life. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to conduct product analysis using a simple framework known as Access FM. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand the complexity of a product listing, identify and cross-reference products, and write a detailed analysis on any product using the Access FM framework.
So let's go over the Access FM framework. The first letter A stands for aesthetics. That is the appearance or look of a product. The first C stands for cost. That is the cost of the product. The second C stands for client, or also known as customer. Those are the people that are going to buy your product. The E stands for environment. That is, how does it affect the environment? The first S stands for size. That is, how big or small the product is. The second S stands for safety. That is, how safe is the product. The F stands for function. That is, how it works. And finally, the M stands for materials. That is, what is the product made of?